Hello everyone, I'm Shrikari from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. I'm here to discuss upon the topic detection, traceability and propagation of mobile malware threats. These are the contents which I'm going to cover in this session. That is introduction, objectives, methodology, results, conclusion and references. Coming to the introduction part, in recent years, with the popularity of smartphones and rapid development of mobile applications, mobile programs have become the main entrance to the internet, becoming an important part of storage of massive data. Since mobile smart devices carry a large amount of user information, the applications of smart devices became convenient for users and easily abused by malicious programs. Android allows applications from other unofficial markets to be downloaded and installed. This gives malware developers an opportunity to place their malicious applications in third party app stores or sites to attack the Android devices. Malware threats and their manner of spreading is different from different attackers. These mobile internet malicious programs can cause serious harm to the users, operators, society, and economy. It will hijack large amount of user mobile phones and send the advertising messages, multimedia messages, and dial large number of phone calls. It will steal user information such as address books, call records, message content, location information, and account information and leaks the user's privacy information. This will destroy all the parts of the user mobile phone, function maliciously, delete their software, and completely drain the battery. It forced the infected mobile phones to continuously send spam to the network or dial specific phone, blocking mobile communication services. It caused property loss of global users. This is the overall introduction of our this topic. Coming to the objectives, the objective is to understand the availability of various attacks that can occur on Android mobiles, to exploit the theory of mobile malware and detection, traceability, and propagation. The scenarios include SMS, MMS, Bluetooth, 5G base station networks, and to protect the source of threats. These are the objectives. Coming to the methodology, in this, I'm going to discuss what is malware and its types and how the detection, traceability, and propagation methods will work. So, let's see what is malware. Malware is a malicious software and refers to any software that is designed to cause harm to the computer system, networks, or users. These are the various malware types which are there in the cyber attacks. So that is virus, Trojan, rootkits, worms, spyware, crimeware, and adware. Let's see each and every type. So virus is a program that infects other software and copies itself and spreads from one computer to the other computer. Trojan is a program that appears to be legal, but it contains the hidden malicious functionality. Rootkit Rootkit is a software that provides an attacker with administrative level access to the computer or the network. And next comes the worm. Worm is a program that copies itself and spreads over the network without the need of the host file. And spyware is a software that collects the information about the user computer and sends it to the third party without the user acknowledgement. Crimeware, it is also a program that encrypts the user files and demands the payment in exchange. And adware is a software that displays the unwanted ads on the user computer device. These are the types of malwares. Let's see how detection will work. Detection is nothing but analyzing the entire security ecosystem to identify the malicious activity that could compromise the network. If threat is detected, then mitigation efforts must be properly neutralized and the threat before it cause any serious damage. These are some of the common types of malware detection techniques. So first one is static analysis. In this, we are going to examine the file code without running it, such as something like file names, hashes, strings such as IP address, and file header data will be evaluated. This is the fast approach technique and widely used analysis to search for the suspicious strings. And second one is the dynamic analysis in which the code is being run in the computer. This technique requires some human or automated interaction with the app. Machine learning is a artificial intelligence and refers the process of teaching algorithm and learn the patterns of existing data to predict the answers on new data. And checksumming, one of the most common checksumming is used is CRC, which involves both the analysis of value and possession of group of data. This picture shows the detection. So here by using dynamic and static analysis, we are going to run here, and in static analysis we'll be inspecting the code in sight of IP address and domain names. After this will be filtered and whitelisted according to the code and will be sent to the server. Here also the IP address and domain names will be inspected and filtered. If there is any network issue is being predicted, it is treated as global threat and the rest measures will be taken. And if it is the good site, this will be stored in the site location. So the next is the traceability. In this traceability, we have multiple levels. The first one is the global threat network, and this is subdivided into multiple sub levels. In this first level, first it distinguishes according to the geopolitics, language, and the mobile internet ecosystem. In second stage, the IP address and domain name identities will be separated according to the user who are connected with the internet. In the third stage, end-to-end encryption is being taken place, like from see, this is one of the end-to-end encrypted signal. So like this, end-to-end encryption will be taken care in the third step, and data and calculations will be processed by using the big data analysis. In the fourth step, the source, destination, and the channel will be traced completely for the traffic-free channel. This is how the traceability will work. So in propagation is nothing but the way it is moving from one place to the other place. So mobile malicious programs are mainly spread between the stores and the store users. And propagation models are mostly described by general mathematical propagation model. Here in this picture, we can see various propagation methods. Like this is by using various topologies, this has been made. First one is the bus topology. Second is the mesh topology. Third is the tree topology. This is ring topology, and this is the star topology. In these three, routers are being used to send the virus whatever from one place to another place. In these three topologies, the issues will be less comparatively to the bus and the mesh. This is how the propagation will work. So coming to the results, the increasing amount of sensitive information being stored and transmitted online has made it more important than ever to protect against the cybercrime. So by using these cybersecurity technologies, we can avoid the malware attacks in a wide manner. So AI, blockchain, IoT, quantum computing, and cloud computing are the very effective methods which helps in malware attacks. So in blockchain is a centralized, decentralized nature, which is much harder for the cyber security criminals to compromise the blockchain network. By using the IoT, it is a major impact on future cybersecurity. IoT devices becoming increasingly common and oftenly used to control the system software. By using the quantum computing, it is difficult to solve these algorithms by the classical computers. So quantum computing is one of the effective manner. By using cloud computing, all the organizations store and process their data on remote servers rather than the local devices. So here we can avoid attacks by turning off our Wi-Fi whenever we're not using, and by installing the apps from the proper Google Store and not from any other third-party apps, and by keeping our browser area in a secured way, we can avoid the attacks. And by disabling automatic Bluetooth pairing, we can control the attacks. And by clicking SMS voice messages without clicking, don't trust any message that attempt to get you reveal any personal information. So by taking these measures, we can control the cyber attacks. So coming to the conclusion part, the detection, traceability, and propagation of mobile malware threats are essential for components in a effective security strategy. By controlling the spread of malware network, the scientific issues are controlled in order to protect the safety of the mobile internet. By implementing advanced technologies, forensic techniques, and user awareness, we can reduce the malware threats. This is the conclusion, and these are the references which I've took for this paper. Thank you.